Hey guys, welcome back to Planet Love, where we together raise the vibe of love of the planet. Yes, and I am your host and dost, Vasudha Madan. So, what are we going to talk about today? Rebound. Yes, we're going to talk about rebound in relationships. But rebound relationship होती क्या है? Yeah, so rebound relationships are the relationships which happen right after you have had a breakup. Yeah, maybe as early as a couple of days, maybe as early as tomorrow, or maybe as early as this evening, right? So basically, see, if you've been in a relationship with someone for a long time, and of course, I understand breaking up is always something hard and mostly hurtful, right? Yeah, and it can leave you bitter, angry, frustrated, yeah, guilted, blamed, shamed, a lot of sad feelings, right? I'll not call it bad though, a lot of confusion, and like you've been in the habit of being taken care of, or feeling for someone, thinking about someone at the end of the day, and suddenly there is a void in your life. And because you've not been used to that void, some people, to cope, immediately rebound into another relationship. Yeah, now you know what? A relationship on a rebound is 9 out of 10 times a very uh, I will say a complicated and a sticky thing you do to yourself. Yeah, a see, it is a relationship which is not based on love. It is a relationship which is based purely, I'm not even saying your need, I am saying your sense of neediness, right? It shows how emotionally dependent you are, how and it is definitely an indication why you might have not been able to sustain the last relationship, because you are getting into an obsessive or an addictive kind of mode with someone, that the moment you are off them, you need someone else or something else to take place of that void. It means you just don't know how to take care of yourself, and I think which in itself is a very serious thing. But इसके अलावा ये रिबाउंड रिलेशनशिप के साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं, या ऐसी रिबाउंड रिलेशनशिप्स के साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स की बात करते हैं अभी हम, राइट? सो see, to start with, if you will ask me from my eyes, and why just from my eyes, even if you will look at this with objectivity, anyone who's looking at with objectivity would say that it is selfish, yeah, and it is a result of victim mindset, right? Codependency and an unhealthy pattern, like I just said, right? अभी इसके साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स की हम बात कर रहे थे. एक तो सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you will not be happy in this relationship. Yeah, initially you will feel okay, I have someone to look forward to, but you know what, deep down inside you will not look forward to them. Deep down inside you would, every time you meet that person, somehow your past relationship, yeah, past person will come in front of you, because you know you are not in this relationship because you like this person. You are in this relationship because you're running away from someone, and perhaps someone you were devoted to for a long time, someone you had an emotional connect with, right? And what happens, this starts to lead to lot of guilt, right? And I'll tell you what kind of guilt. And sometimes most of the times I have seen it leads to a realization that you don't love this new person. 9 out of 10 times you don't love this person. They were just a filler at the first place, and that reminds you more of the last person. We think, oh, I will eventually get over this, and you think, okay, let me try to move on by giving someone else a chance, right? Why you do give that chance? Because you feel loneliness. Now क्या हो रहा है, आप ना अपने आप को टाइम नहीं दे रहे प्रोसेस करने का योर लास्ट ब्रेकअप. यू ट्राइंग टू मूव ऑन टू फास्ट, and you know what, this is very jealousy or ego oriented way to move on. It basically shows that you cannot do without attention, and let me tell you, it is a very poor kind of attention because it stems of your neediness, right? It somewhere also shows that you have a very poor self-esteem or low self-worth, because I mean, just because you broke up with someone doesn't mean you have to rush into a situation with someone else right away. It means you couldn't face the truth, and the truth may not be that the person didn't like you. The truth could be something else. It also shows that you do not have patience to sort things, even if you have feelings. See, if you are rushing so soon into another relationship, it is definitely an indicator that you still feel a lot of passion for the last person. So you are not, either you are suppressing your emotions for that last person, or B, you have a lot of, like, of course it's a part of A only, that you have a lot of passion for this person, and B is you're not giving yourself time to emotionally process what happened. Now let's say that relationship was not meant to last, but you have not given yourself time to process what exactly happened, so that you can actually leverage your learnings in that relationship in your next relationships. You have not given yourself time to understand what you want and what you don't want. Now what will happen? You will have more unwanted stuff in this relationship, because you have kind of jumped into this relationship blindfolded. It is likely to turn eventually into a state of lot of conflicts, confusion, in fact fights in this rebound relationship. It's more like a situationship. I don't even feel like calling it a relationship. Yeah. Now, you know, when you are doing this, it is a very unfair situation to everyone involved. See, it is very unfair to the person you are with physically now, and you are also being unfair to your own self, because you are hurting more now, because you are now juggling with two people, right? One in your real life and one in your inner world. Yeah. So there is this person in front of you, because you kind of jumped into it. Now you feel guilty to snap out of it. So there is this person right and physically in front of you, which makes you feel guilty, and maybe that person also doesn't love you. Yeah. And most probably I think that should be the case, because I feel it is really unhealthy to kind of snap into a relationship with someone who's just broken up. So anyways, two unhealthy people come together. So and most of all, it is also very unfair to the person you are emotionally attached with. Right now, what do you need to do? Anyways, if you want to check out, it becomes more like a one-sided love story on everyone's part. So, well, if you want to know more about one-sided love story, I've done a podcast on that too. I'll put the link in the description. You can watch that out, right? Now, अब क्या हो रहा है in this situation? Now, everyone is pretending to be happy. Yeah, you are pretending to be happy because you want to show your ex that, see, I have moved on. I am happy. What did you think? तुम्हारे बिना मेरा काम नहीं चलेगा? See, I'm doing so well in life. Again, like I said in the beginning, false pride and ego. Yeah, बट क्या फ़ायदा ऐसी प्राइड और ईगो का, राइट? क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है, उनको बोल दोगे हमें आपकी ज़रूरत है तो, राइट? इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग, आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा पपलू तो हम अपना बना रहे हैं इन दिस सिचुएशन. यू आर फूलिंग योर सेल्फ द मोस्ट इन दिस सिचुएशन बाय बीइंग डिसऑनेस्ट. या इट्स, क्या बोलूँ, यू नो व्हाट विल हैपन, लाइक साइड इफ़ेक्ट, क्या साइड इफ़ेक्ट होने वाला है? योर लाइफ विल इवेंचुअली बिकम अ बर्डन. एंड आई हैव रिटन इट हियर, लेट मी रीड इट फ्रॉम हियर. एंड also unfair to the person you are pretending to be in love with out of guilt. You are taking away their chance to be with someone who can or who may really love them. Yeah, and see, it's okay if you choose to be with someone you are not in love with. आपका डिसीजन है, आप लाइफ में इमोशनली अनफुलफिल्ड रहना चाहते हैं, योर डिसीजन, वेरी गुड, गो ahead with it. But it is wrong to put another person in that situation. You are killing their chance to find real and healthy person, right? So if you will ask me, I too will say that the moment you have this realization, the moment the rebound begins, the moment you begin to realize that I am rebounding back my feelings for my ex or for the last person, please stop stretching the things too far. Please apologize to the current person and snap out of this relationship ASAP, as soon as possible. Stop being unfair to another person, right? And now after that you have come out of this relationship, I know it is not going to be easy to be apologizing. It is so easier said than done, but hey, don't ghost them, right? It was not their mistake at all. Yeah, go speak with them, apologize, feel what they may feel. Don't run from them, from their understanding their feelings also. But nonetheless, don't get guilted back into that relationship. Say sorry to them with utmost genuineness and show the same genuineness for yourself. Tell them the reason you're doing it is that you don't want to mar their chance of meeting the real love. Tell them that what you feel for them isn't love, although you see what a wonderful person they are, but it is definitely not love. And wish them best and let them go, right? Now I'm not saying go rushing back to your ex, right? Because I don't know, if the breakup took place, there must have been a reason. Yeah, I think you should use this time to process everything which happened with your ex1 and with your ex2, and more than that, yourself. What was it about the first person that you didn't like? What is it about the first person that you want to go back to? And what did this new person show you about you that told you that is it gonna be the ex or the next, right? So I know this can be a lesson, and it can be a very, very, very hard lesson to learn, and especially if it is your ex that you want to go back to, because I think by jumping into a rebound relationship, you are also showing something to your ex. You're showing to your some ex that you have gone even farther apart from each other. You let a third person come in between you. But yeah, if you really love them, it should not be difficult for you to let go of the third person, that rebound which happened. Yeah, and yeah, you're telling them in a way that so we are no longer on the same team. Yeah, so you do end up blurring some goals which you two might have shared, and it will be difficult to convince them of your love. But yeah, if you are genuine and sincere, if you've given yourself enough time to be single once again for a while. Be yourself, yeah. Start being happy on your own, and then go back or move on, whatever works best for you. But first become healthy and wholesome, not for anyone else but for yourself, so that एक तो ये झूठी मूठी के ना ब्रेकअप हो, ना पैचअप हो, ना ही rebound हो, because all these situations, relationships are not meant to give us so many highs or lows. Relationships are basically meant to give us some kind of stability in life, and with that stability, with that good foundation, you can focus more on your productivity in life. Yeah, you can both work on your separate goals or shared goals and bring your experiences into everyday life, and have a more beautiful and enriched life. But you know what, you can't do that with anyone random. There has to be a connection first, so you have to be wholesome to recognize that connection. And yeah, I mean, see, we all go through life through a different lens, and what might seem small to someone may seem really big and gigantic to someone else. So it all depends on our perspectives at the end of the day. But I know just one thing, no matter what, yeah, whatever the relationship be it my relationship with myself, your relationship with you, your relationship with your beloved, or this beautiful creation and its creatures, whatever relationship be it, it is supposed to be the one of love, and it is always in our hands. Love is a choice we make. Okay, love is not an accident which happens to some people. Love is a choice we make in every situation, and first to ourselves before we make it to others, right? It's like, can a rich man can a poor man do charity? No, right? A poor man can be a great man by doing charity, but it's the rich man who can sustain the charity. So you have to be loving towards yourself before you can actually go about being in love, right? And on that note, keep raising the vibration of love of our planet and stay in love. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. And yeah, before I go, if there's anything in love, in relationships that you want me to talk about, please put it in comments. I am always eager to hear from you. Bye.